1990 Fleer basketball. Welcome to this video. Welcome to the channel. Let's see what kind of great stuff we have in here. These packs are definitely gold in my mind. Got Terry Cummings, although not every player is good, of course. Ricky Pierce, Brad Davis, Purvis Ellison, Grant Long, Danny Ferry, Byron Irvin, AC Green, Horace Grant, Eddie Johnson, Mark Jackson, nice card there. Nope, you take a seat. James Edwards, Scott Brooks, Reggie Miller, and Joe Klein. Nope, not a good pack. Anyway, y'all take care. Stay well, stay blessed. Bunkle out.